Are you looking to invest through online brokerage accounts? The dawn of the 24th year of this century is upon us, and with it comes the need to navigate the ever-evolving financial landscape. The right platform can be a game changer, transforming the way you invest and the returns you earn. From low fees to robust mobile platforms, from excellent customer support to suitability for different investor profiles, the perfect platform can turn investing from a chore into an adventure. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of online brokerage accounts. Starting with Robinhood, a popular choice among new investors. Robinhood's appeal lies in its user-friendly platform, a haven for those taking their first steps in the investing world. It's known for its commission-free trades, a feature that's a game changer for many. But what truly sets Robinhood apart is its commitment to make investing accessible to the general public, breaking down barriers that once made the stock market feel exclusive. This dedication to inclusivity has earned Robinhood a reputation that resonates with many first-time investors. Robinhood, a solid choice for those dipping their toes into the investing waters. Next up is SoFi Active Investing, an excellent platform for beginners and experienced investors alike. This platform distinguishes itself with its low fee structure, making it a go-to choice for cost-conscious investors. With its mobile platform, you can manage your investments on the go, ensuring you're always in control. And if you run into any hiccups, their robust customer support is there to assist you. So whether you're dipping your toes in the investing pool for the first time or you're a seasoned shark navigating the investment seas, SoFi Active Investing can accommodate your needs. SoFi Active Investing, a well-rounded platform suitable for all types of investors. Then we have Fidelity, a top choice for its comprehensive range of investment options. Fidelity stands out in the world of online brokerage accounts for not just one, but several reasons. Firstly, it offers $0 commissions on trades, making it a cost-effective option for both novice and experienced investors. But the perks don't stop at affordability. Fidelity also boasts a wide array of investment options, from stocks and bonds to ETFs and mutual funds, serving as a one-stop shop for all your investing needs. What's more, Fidelity is renowned for its high-quality investor research. The platform provides an abundance of independent research and educational resources, empowering you to make informed decisions about your investments. Whether you're just starting your investing journey or you're a seasoned trader, these resources can be invaluable. Fidelity's platform is also user-friendly, making it easy for you to navigate the world of investing. Plus, with the option of fractional share trading, you can start investing with just a few dollars. But it's not just the tangible features that make Fidelity a top choice. The platform is backed by a strong reputation and a wide selection of tradable assets, further enhancing its appeal. So if you're looking for an online brokerage account that offers affordability, a wide range of investment options, high-quality research, and a user-friendly platform, you can't go wrong with Fidelity, an all-encompassing platform that delivers on all fronts. Moving on to JP Morgan's self-directed investing, a platform that offers a mix of technology and established banking services. This platform, a standout in the field, cleverly integrates with Chase Bank, allowing for a seamless transition between everyday banking and investment activities. It boasts a wide range of investment options, catering to both the novice and the experienced investor. JP Morgan. Self-directed investing also offers robust research tools, providing insightful data to guide your investment decisions. JP Morgan self-directed investing, blending technology and banking for a unique investing experience. Now that we've covered a few top online brokers, it's important to remember that the best platform for you depends on your individual needs. We've taken a look at a variety of platforms, each with its own unique selling points. Robinhood, for instance, stands out for its user-friendly interface and commission-free trades, making it a great choice for beginners. On the other hand, SoFi Active Investing offers a comprehensive platform with a range of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrency. Fidelity, our top pick, shines for its $0 commissions, extensive range of investment options, and its wealth of investor research. Its platform is not only user-friendly, but also packed with educational resources, making it an excellent option for both novice and seasoned investors. Then we have JP Morgan Self-Directed Investing, a platform that boasts a robust selection of investment options and comprehensive research tools. Its strong reputation and wide array of tradable assets make it an attractive choice for those looking for a more hands-on approach to investing. In the ever-evolving world of investing, It's crucial to find a platform that aligns with your investing style and needs. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into the investment pool or an experienced investor seeking advanced tools and research, there's a platform out there for you. And while we've covered a few notable platforms in this video, there are many more out there. So, take your time, do your research, and most importantly, choose a platform that makes you feel comfortable and confident in your investing journey. As we wrap up, remember that investing is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's about making consistent, informed decisions over time. And with the right platform, you're already one step closer to reaching your financial goals. Remember to subscribe to Finance with Ishani for more informative and engaging content on investing. Thank you for watching and happy investing.